Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by powering off and disconnecting your beat solo 4. This prevents shorting and accidental pairing. Once done, remove ear cushions gently. They clip off, so you can access visible screws and seams. Make sure to collect screws in a tray and take a photo of placements for reassembly. Use a soft brush to clear loose dust first. That prevents debris from being pushed into speakers when you apply liquids. From here, you're ready to open the chassis carefully, using the correct screwdriver size to avoid stripping. You now focus on the delicate middle steps: clean driver grills and internal plastic. Use 70% isopropyl on a cotton swab, damp, not wet, to wipe plastic and metal surfaces. This kills oils without leaving residue. Once done, brush the speaker mesh with a soft brush while holding the driver steady so you don't deform it. Make sure to clean hinge pins and contact points with minimal liquid and a toothpick or swab. Afterward, leave all parts to air dry for at least 15-20 minutes before reassembly. You finish by carefully reassembling in reverse order, matching the photos you took earlier. Tighten screws snugly, but do not over-tighten. Once done, power on and test audio and controls with a known good source. If you encounter static, low volume, or no sound, reseat internal connectors and inspect for debris or bent pins. Sometimes a misaligned ribbon causes problems. If issues continue, perform a firmware reset and test on another device before opening again. This narrows down whether the fault is hardware or software.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.